Greetings to all. I am currently standing at the premium laundry service company, Greenbow. We have installed a 5-ton fluidized bed boiler for the factory. Today, I will take you on a tour and introduce the boiler we installed for the premium laundry service, Greenbow. This is a large company that has been established for over 20 years, specializing in laundry services for major 5-star hotels in Ho Chi Minh City and neighboring provinces. Please join us on a tour of this boiler. Let's go inside the factory. This is the production area of the factory, where the customer's laundry workshop is located. This is the fuel storage area. Due to limited space, the factory has moved the fuel storage area outside. The factory's boiler uses 100% biomass fuel, crushed wood along with tree wood to reduce fuel costs. On one side is the boiler area, and inside is the customer's laundry area. Here is the boiler area surrounding the boiler that our company has installed. We will go inside this area. Let me introduce to you. This is the 5-ton boiler, designed with a combination of water tubes, furnace tubes, and fire tubes, specializing in burning crushed wood. We will explore its structure. This is the combustion chamber area. Above the combustion chamber is the steam generating tube. This area is the water preheater. This is the air preheater. This is the fabric bag dust collector. Below are the ash collection hoppers. The environmental issue here is very harsh, so it is necessary to use a fabric bag dust collector to recover 100% of the dry ash. This is the deaerator, steam pump tank. This is a special component, the economizer, which won an award from the USAID, United States Agency for International Development. This component helps to recover high-pressure condensate water. Then, this condensate water is pumped directly into the furnace, saving a lot of steam production costs. Thanks to this component, we received 100,000 USD from USAID. According to the factory, this component saves up to 30% of fuel costs for steam production when the factory operates continuously. This is the back part, looking from the bottom up of the boiler. Here is the ash recovery funnel from the smoke box and the rotary ash removal valve. On this side, there are many ash collection hoppers. There are 5 dry ash collection points. And this is the smoke extraction fan. This is the boiler's chimney. Far away there is the deaerator I introduced at the beginning. And this is the back of the boiler's economizer. The condensate water tank normally keeps water at temperatures from 90 to 95 C. But with this economizer, the condensate water will be kept at about 130 C, saving more than about 30 to 35 C compared to normal. Next, we will have a conversation with Mr. Khoi, the director of the Greenbow Laundry Factory. Please join us. Today, I have a talk with Mr. Khoi, the director of the Greenbow Laundry Company, a very long, established company with 20 years in the laundry industry. This company provides premium laundry services for 5-star hotels and is famous in Ho Chi Minh City and the southern region. Hello, Mr. Khoi. DV Group has also installed this 5-ton fluidized bed boiler for Mr. Khoi for quite some time. Mr. Khoi, please share your thoughts on this boiler from DV Group.
It saves fuel, generates steam quickly, and achieves an efficiency of 5 tons per hour.
What about environmental issues?
Regular checks every 3 months show that county levels are within limits.
From what I know, Mr. Khoi has used many boilers. Mr. Khoi, how does the DV boiler differ from previous ones?
There's a difference. This boiler has an automatic conveyor for fuel feeding into the boiler, thus reducing labor and controlling fuel quantity.
Now, how many employees are needed for one shift at your facility?
Now, 2 people per shift compared to previously 5 people.
Previously, your furnace burned wood, right?
Previously, fuel was manually fed, requiring 5 people. Now, one shift only needs 2 people.
Currently, do you see a significant reduction in fuel and other costs?
Yes. There's a significant reduction because now fuel is added based on parameters and temperature, unlike before when it was added based on estimation.
Our company installed a fluidized bed boiler and an economizer for you, which won a USAID award. Could you share your opinion on this economizer and its effectiveness after installation?
It reduces water loss, recovering more water.
Do you have data to monitor the average amount of water recovered before and after the installation?
Previously, the factory did not install a meter, so there's no accurate data. But after installing the meter, the recovery rate is over 50%.
Before, did a lot of steam escape from the tank?
Yes, it escaped continuously.
And now?
Now it retains more, only releasing steam when discharged.
Normally, does it not escape?
Now it retains more, and less smoke is released.
Since the boiler was installed and put into operation, has there been any incident affecting the factory's production?
No.
I'm very pleased that the product has provided stable steam for the factory. Thank you, Mr. Khoi, for the interview. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. DV Group, striving to bring prosperity to our partners.